Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're looking at Tesla. So Tesla has been in the news pretty much forever. They just announced that they're redoing the Model Y. So that should be interesting. Okay, it's been a while since it had a refresh and a price change. Seems like they do this all the time, but that's besides the point. I guess it'll be good to see what kind of changes they got in mind. Once they get the Cybertruck out there, they announced their new $25,000 vehicle, the Model 2. Should be interesting. Kind of a stripped down Tesla, if that exists, I guess. It should be interesting to see what they come out with next. You never know what Elon Musk has brewing. So, and along with the whole Bitcoin, are they going to take Bitcoin for payments? Or are they not taking Bitcoin for payments? Yeah. Okay, so let's get back to technical indicators. So, technical indicators for Tesla say it looks positive, okay? So, last week I could have sold the put, but I didn't. I wasn't really sure where the stock was going to go. You never really know where Tesla's going. There's always some news, there's always some headline. Is a Tesla going to crash and explode into flames? Or is the new autonomous driving feature going to kill somebody? Or you don't know if it's going to be positive news, like, hey, they're coming out with the new Model 2 for $25,000 and blow away the competition. Or is the Tesla going to kill somebody and get headline news and the stock's going to sell off? Or is Elon Musk going to do some tweets, some kind of bonehead tweet, and tank the stock, or pump the stock, or you don't know. So options are very variable in Tesla. So these indicators don't always tell the full story, because they only look at technical stuff. They don't look at news stories and headlines. But if I would have did this last week when I saw the indicators, I would have been okay. I could have made some money on Tesla. So I do have a position in Tesla, full disclosure, and I love the stock. But here, I think it's very undervalued. It's about half of where it should be. It should be about $1,500. With everything they're doing, the solar, the batteries, the storage, just the entire Tesla ecosystem. It's like an entire ETF in one stock. So this stock is going to the moon. It's going to be a $3,000 stock in the next 5 years for sure. But just trying to find good entry points and make profit along the way. So like I said before, I didn't sell any calls in Tesla on the stock that I own, but I'm going to continue to sell puts and lower my cost basis and accumulate the stock if I get put the stock. So, can Tesla go back to $400? Yes, it could. Could Tesla go to $1,500? Well, yes, it could. It could go back to $900 pretty easily. It looks like it's on that trend. I mean, look at the 200-day moving average. It's on a slow grind up. And this is a great thing to see for a stock. You can see it is bouncing off of that 200-day moving average, which is a beautiful sight for most people to see. Okay? Now, if it breaks below that, that's a different story. But as of now, it's still riding above there, right? So there's not much more to go, right? We're at about 700. The 200-day moving average is at about 650. So I would probably feel comfortable selling a put at this level. Now you're probably going to get $20 for the put. We can go over and take a look at the puts here. Let's go trade, and we'll do 13 days, the monthly. I don't like trading Tesla more than a week or two out at the most. And it's about 20, that's what I thought, about $20, 1870. Pretty good. And the 50%, yeah, even money bet. but that'll reduce your cost basis to 675 or so. And so it's not a bad bet if it bounces off 650. Now if you go down to 650, which is definitely the 200-day moving average, you sell it for $6 for 2 weeks. I'm not thrilled with that premium. If it was 10, I'd think about it more, but probably not 6. So, all right. Anyway, back to the chart and technical analysis here. So, tell me what you guys think of Tesla. It looks like the stock could potentially move higher. Can never really tell, but indications are higher. But it does look like the MACD is cooling off. It looks like this has definitely had a little turn to the downside. So we could be coming into a negative indicator here and more towards neutrality here. And it looks like definitely a curve. It probably might go down just like before, right? It goes up and down. So it might go up and a little down, and to meet that 200-day moving average or 20-day moving average. Anyway, I'll be monitoring this over the next week. There's a lot of potential in Tesla for lots of profit, lots of money. Problem is, it takes a lot of capital to sell one put. It takes 70. Current price is $699. It takes basically $70,000 of buying power to sell one Tesla put, and that is a pretty good chunk of my account. So, unless I want to do it naked, which I wouldn't advise, because you never know what's going to happen to Tesla. It could drop next week to 500, who knows. But in the long run, it's going to be a good buy. It's going to be a good deal, and I like the stock. That's all I have to say, guys. Do your own research, not investing advice. Good luck out there in the markets. Let me know what you guys think and what you guys are doing. And be sure to subscribe to see what happens and see what I do with this stock. And thanks for watching.